Module 10, Forensic Analysis Techniques. Welcome to this tutorial on forensic analysis techniques. In this video, we will dive into practical exercises and hands-on labs that focus on analyzing email headers and message content to extract valuable information in a hypothetical investigation. We will also explore email forensics tools and techniques to investigate and analyze email communications, identify spoofed emails, and recover deleted messages. Let's begin with the practical exercise of analyzing email headers and message content. In this exercise, we will examine a set of email headers and message content related to a hypothetical investigation. By carefully analyzing the email headers, we can gather information about the source, destination, and route of the emails. The headers can reveal IP addresses, timestamps, and email server details, which may be valuable in identifying potential suspects or tracing the origin of suspicious emails. Additionally, we will thoroughly review the message content to extract any information that could aid in the investigation. This may include text, attachments, embedded images, or links that could lead to further evidence. Now, let's move on to the hands-on lab where we will utilize email forensics tools and techniques. In this lab, we will use specialized email forensics tools or techniques to investigate and analyze email communications. These tools can assist in various aspects of email analysis, such as 1. Email header analysis. We can use tools to extract and analyze email headers to identify potential indicators of spoofing, such as manipulated IP addresses or altered routing information. 2. Metadata extraction. Tools can help extract metadata associated with the emails, including sender and recipient details, timestamps, email client information, and more. This metadata can provide critical insights into the authenticity and origin of the emails. 3. Deleted email recovery. In some cases, deleted emails may hold crucial evidence. We will explore techniques or tools that can recover deleted messages, even from email servers or storage media. By utilizing these email forensics tools and techniques, we can uncover hidden information, identify potential spoofed emails, and recover important messages that were initially deleted or thought to be lost. Forensic analysis of email communications is a powerful investigative technique. This tutorial has provided a practical exercise for analyzing email headers and message content, as well as a hands-on lab for utilizing email forensics tools and techniques. In the next tutorial, we will explore advanced methods for analyzing social media communications in a forensic investigation. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.